Your Radiacode 103 has been sitting for a long time. The battery can die. Sometimes letting it set for a month and a half or two, the parasitic drain on the battery can just drain it down to nothing and it won't come back on. So when you press the on button, it won't do anything. And if it's set that long, it won't start charging immediately either. So if you plug it in, the light will come on, but it really won't be charging. If you push the button to start it, that'll let you know if it's actually charging or not. So if it's got a charge on it, it'll run from this power. So you press the button, and if nothing comes on, the battery is gone into safety mode. So what the battery will do, it'll lock it out from charging. Once it gets down to 3 volts or below, it's a safety mechanism for the battery to keep it from possibly burning up. So if you want to bypass that, once you remove the USB-C cord, immediately plug it back in and it'll start the battery charging. It'll remove that protective setting on it and it'll force charge it. So what you do, you just basically just unplug it, then immediately plug it back in. Once that charging light comes on, then hold your power button and it should start up for you. So that'll get it going. You can run it with the USB-C until the battery gets charged up if you want, but you're better off just turning it back off and let the battery go to full charge on it. But if you go to start it up and your 103 won't start at all, that's probably the issue. And like I said, just plug it in and wait till the light comes on, and then unplug it and immediate plug it back up, and that'll get you charging again. So if this helped at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.